Hi everyone, welcome to another transition tutorial. Today we're going to be transforming ourselves from Dr. Pamela to Poison Ivy. Before we get to the next transition, I just want to thank Epic Cosplay Wigs that sent me this beautiful bright red lace front wig. You can find the link to their website in the description below. I think I'm gonna add more green. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm going to grab my humidifier and we're going to be simulating smoke. Okay, I'm gonna use this key light that is super bright to simulate the green smoke. Time to turn ourselves green, and I'm gonna use Cryolan's color wheel, and I'm gonna be using this green and mixing it up with some white. Okay, I made this light green, and here's how it looks. Now I'm gonna add my contacts. Contacts by Pinky Paradise, link in bio. Time to add more green. Time to become Poison Ivy. Here's the corset. I actually made this by gluing a bunch of these little leaves, and it's actually the corset I wore for Corpse Bride, so I just reused it for this look. All done. Final transition.